I've read a lot of reviews online from people who ever used Cherry MX Speed had extremely bad performances with typing, and people said that they were so sensitive they made a lot of typos. And Cherry MX Speed is basically Cherry MX Red, as people say, on steroids. The actuation point is a little bit higher, so it's very sensitive. You press it just a little bit gently and it actuates right away. You know, some people tend to complain about the Reds. People say that Reds are difficult to work with for the reason that Reds are linear and people never know when it actually actuates, so you have to press it all the way down to make sure that you actually press the button properly. And I think that's a valid statement, but the speeds, which are basically Reds but with faster actuation speed, I think this problem of Reds was actually handled there. If you're a light typer, the speeds may be just for you. Let me show it to you. Let me show it to you how it works. When you press, the MX speeds just like this. As easy like this. Look what happens. It gets registered. In most time it gets registered. However, if you do it with the browns, it will not work. That will not work. Rarely, occasionally works. Not always. You have to press it fully, yes. And that's the case with Reds as well. You have to press them fully. Let's try gaming. CSGO. Let's go. So browns. You see? Well, you have to press them. You have to press them in order to work. Of course, it's a regular keyboard. Feels nice, feels good as well. But when you move to speeds, it's so much easier, it's so much lighter. Even the slightest step gets registered. It's hard to show you on the screen, but the speeds are much more responsive. Any of my movement gets registered. With the browns though, any of my movement gets registered for sure, but I have to press harder for that. It makes more sound. So for the games, 100%, all hands down, the speeds win, for sure.